Hello guys, welcome to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you basic tutorials on games. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can join someone's party in Fortnite. So firstly you need to be in the lobby, and after you're in the lobby you need to come up here and click on this icon right here. After that a social tab will open up where you can see all of your friends. You need to simply click on one who is online at the moment, and right here it will tell you that you can join their game. If their party is private, you need to request to join. If it is public, it will simply say that join their party. So you need to click on the join the party option, and after that you will join their lobby. So that's how you do it, guys. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. And also comment down below what video you guys want us to do next, and we will do so. So thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.